guys, just a quick unboxing look and review at the Elite Series 2 new controller. One reason I wanted to get this was supposedly it's supposed to work with Scarlett, and it's going to be that first iteration of what the new controller will be like for that new console. Alright, so case, and I assume that's it, so that's good. So it's kind of package in package. Really hard if it drops or anything. Check it out. New button. This is the new toggle, which you can have the 3 separate profiles instead of the 1-2 switch. This button here is it's, you know, the actual Xbox controller, it pushes in, where this is more like a tap, so it kind of feels like if you've been using non-Elite controllers, it feels definitely different. Yeah, really clean, nice. This part here, the grips, they really feel awesome in your hand. Like if you happen to walk into a Best Buy and just hold one in your hand, it's it can definitely help being that deciding factor. Much heavier than the normal controller, feels more reliable. So on the back here, you got your paddles, the triggers, so you know, short, long, somewhere in the middle. So you get some extra grips there. It's kind of a bit slippery compared to over here. It's more of a rubber, it's more of a plastic. So I can't tell, it kind of looks like USB 3, how it's got the rounded. I'm pretty sure it is, I just haven't looked. Standard stuff. And then, so what else we got here? We got, I guess, an unlocking key. Then you have the optional, you know, if you want to use this one instead of that one, they have the different sticks. So convenient case, got this stuff up here, and yeah, looks pretty awesome.